Hello everybody, my name is Jose and I'm here with Mech Masters. Today I'd like to do a brief review on the Noppoo Lolita Spyder RGB. I've had this keyboard for about a month now. My variety comes with Kailh MX or Kailh Brown switches, pardon me, and I have the Pulse keycap set, a review coming later, on my Lolita Spyder here, and I just wanted to kind of talk about a few things here. So as you can see, we have a bit of B-roll footage here that I shot previously, and I'm going to apologize now for bad audio and video quality here in the beginning of the channel, but hopefully as we progress I'll be able to get better equipment. As you can see, the RGB lighting here is just that. It's RGB. It shows about 5 or 6 different varieties of colors here, ranging from a magenta to purple. We have a green, blue, orange, and then red backlighting, and here you can see the different backlighting modes. We have a fading, and this is the fast fading mode here, followed by the medium fading, and I believe the slow fade. Actually, this is the slow fading, I apologize. And following it now is the medium fading speed. So as you can see, it's a little bit more rapid, but not quite as quick. Here you can see the 7 different brightness modes as well. It can turn all the way off or all the way up to no fading mode at all. And I do apologize for my fat fingers in the shot here, but here I just demonstrate the different lighting levels. And I'll try to get a better shot on the camera here to show you more of the colors. So along the top row, you're going to see you have red backlighting. Along the row beneath it, you have orange, beneath it blue, beneath that green, and beneath that purple, and at the very bottom you have that magenta pink color. So towards the bottom of it here, you're going to see that the lighting does get very bright, very sufficient as far as nighttime seeing, especially if you have a set of transparent keycaps on. It's a bit difficult to see, but it also comes with different lighting zones, which I demonstrate here. Not very well. I decided to move the camera over right now. But with these different lighting zones, you have different gaming zones that are preset. So as you can see, you have your full keyboard lit, just WASD and some modifiers. Several different really helpful and different views here that'll seriously help you out with some different game styles depending on what sorts of games you play. Now, I do not believe you can cross the lighting zones with the fading. I believe you can either have one or the other, but you cannot have only some lighting zones with the fading. So for this next shot, I do apologize in advance. It's very dusty. My house gets very dusty. I've only had this keyboard for about a month, and it's already gotten this dusty, and I did not notice until I was already shooting the footage. But here's some sample audio of how the Kailh Brown switches sound and look and their wiggle room. I apologize, the audio quality isn't that great, and like I said, here's the dust. If you listen, though, just a second. Kind of hard to hear, I do apologize. If you listen, though, they do have that somewhat chalky sound that you hear when it comes to MX Browns as well. They aren't smooth. They do have a bit of a chalky sound, and as you can see, they do have a bit of wiggle as well. But here you can see the brightness levels of these LEDs without the keycaps on them, and you can see the different varying lights as well. So I hope you enjoyed this brief review of the Lolita Spyder. Hopefully new ones are going to be coming soon, and I thank you very much for watching.